Hello students, today we are going to start with a new question of statistics to find the mean. Here the mean in this question, the mean is given to us but we need to find out the missing frequency. So this is the very important question from the board point of view. So let me read the question for you. The following distribution shows the daily pocket allowance of a children of a locality. The mean pocket allowance is rupees 18. So the mean is given to us. This is the mean that is given to us. Find the missing frequency. So what we need to find out? The missing frequency, that is f. Yes, so here the mean is given to us and we need to find out the value of f. Yes, so class interval, this is the group data that is given to us. Daily pocket allowance in rupees 11 to 13, 13 to 15, 15 to 17. There is a difference of 2. Yes, and 19 to 21, 21 to 20, 21 to 23 and 23 to 25. Yes, now we need to find out the missing frequency. Let's recall the formula, that is x bar is equal to sigma fi xi upon sigma fi. As we know that xi is here the class mark that we need to find out, then we have to multiply every class mark with the respective corresponding frequency and we have to divide it by the summation of the fi. So we mostly use the direct method to find out this. I have already written the class interval here, 11 to 13, 13 to 15, 15 to 17, 17 to 19 and so on. And the frequency for the respective classes are here. So as we know that the mean is already given to us, we need to find out first of all the class mark. Yes, now let's find out the class mark. As I already told you, the method of finding the class mark, 11 plus 13 whole upon 2, that will be equal to 24 upon 2, that will be equal to 12. Yes, 13 plus 15 upon 2, that will be 14. Yes, now here 16, 18, 17 plus 19 upon 2, that will be equal to 18, then 20, then 22 and 24. You just recheck 23 plus 25, that is 48 upon 2. So when there is a difference between the two here, there is also a difference between the class mark is also a 2 here. So now we have to find out the fi into xi. Yes, 7 12 7s are, that is 84, 14 6 are again 84, 16 9s are, that is 144, 13 into 18 is equal to 234. 20 into f, that will be 20f. Yes, 5 into 22, that is 110, and 24 4s are, that is equal to 96. Yes, now recheck all the calculation because the calculation in the statistic should be very precise. Yes, now again what we have to do, we have to find according to the formula, that is the formula is sigma fi xi upon sigma fi. So we need to find out the value of sigma fi into xi. So first we will just leave this 20f. First of all we will add 84 plus 84 plus 144 plus 234 plus 110 plus 96 and we have got 752 plus 20f. Don't leave this. This is very important. Yes, here again we will find the summation of fi, add all the frequencies, 7 plus 6 plus 9 plus 13 plus 5 plus 4, that will equal to 44 plus f. Yes, don't leave this f. So we have got here sigma fi xi and sigma fi. We need to put the values only in the formula. So x bar is already given to us, that let me show you again. The mean pocket allowance is rupees 18. So the mean is already given to us, so we will write here 18 is equal to 752 plus 20f upon 44 plus f. That is the value we have put here instead of here, sigma fi xi upon sigma fi. So we will do the cross multiplication. 18 into 44 plus f, that is equal to 752 plus 20f. 18 into 44 will equal to 792 plus 18f, that is equal to 752 plus 20f. Yes. Now we have to solve this. So I am taking this 752 to the left hand side. 792 minus 752 is equal to 20f minus 18f. That will equal to 2 0 2 minus 9 5 minus 5, that is equal to 40 is equal to 2f, or we can write 2f is equal to 40 and f is equal to 40 upon 2, that is equal to 2. So here we have got the value of frequency. I hope it is very clear to you. Mostly we use the direct method in finding the when the frequency is missing, and this is very important question from the board point of view. So do practice. Thank you, students.